With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is, state how does time period of a simple pendulum depends upon the length of pendulum. Alright, so we need to write relation between time period and length of pendulum. Alright, length of pendulum. So length of pendulum is one of the two factors which define time period. Alright, length of pendulum is one of the two factors which define time period. Alright, so we know the expression of time period T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. This is the expression for time period. Now, so relation between time period and length of pendulum is T is proportional to under root L. This is the relation between time period and length of pendulum. That's all.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.